In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do reports in Asana. We'll walk through building a simple, useful dashboard inside a project so you can visualize your work with clear, at-a-glance insights. By the end, you'll know how to create a dashboard tab, add chart widgets, and display both totals and breakdowns that help your team stay aligned. First, open Asana and sign in. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google. When prompted, select your Google account to complete the sign-in. Using Google makes the process quick and ensures your workspace and projects load with the right permissions. Once you're in, navigate to the project you want to report on. This is important because dashboards in Asana are tied to a specific project and use that project's tasks as the data source. At the top of the project view, click the Add Tab button and choose Dashboard. This creates a dedicated reporting tab for the project. If it helps with clarity, you can rename the tab so teammates immediately know what the dashboard shows, such as Project Overview or Key Metrics. Now let's add the first visualization. Click Add Widget, then choose Chart. In the chart setup, open the chart style dropdown and select Number. A number chart is perfect for quick, high-level counts. Click Value to choose what you want to display. For this example, select the option that shows the total number of tasks in the project. This gives you a single metric everyone understands at a glance. When you're set, click Add Chart. You'll now see your total tasks widget pinned to the dashboard. Let's add a second chart to create a simple status breakdown. Click Add Widget again, choose Chart, and open the chart style dropdown one more time. This time, select Donut. The donut chart groups tasks into segments so you can see distribution. Next, choose the field you want to use as the source for grouping. Pick completion status so the chart separates tasks into completed and incomplete categories. When you're happy with the preview, click Add Chart to place it on the dashboard. You can add more widgets the same way, and you can also include text blocks to explain what a chart represents or note how often the data is reviewed. As tasks update in the project, your charts will reflect those changes automatically, so the dashboard stays relevant without extra maintenance. That's it. Your Asana dashboard now shows a total count and a clear status breakdown, making reporting fast, visual, and easy to share.